Next time of the class, I ask you to work on Lab 2. Lab 2 has 3 questions. First question, construct a vector A containing all of the even numbers between 3 and 26, including 26. Note 3 is not included because 3 is not an even number. That is, the numbers begin with 4. So this is to use a colon notation. Sixth question, construct a vector B containing every 5 number starting from 8 and ending no more than 40, that is 8, 13, 18. So this is also to use colon notation. And the next one is similar to A and B. Only in this question the increment is negative. Question D, construct a vector D containing 100 evenly spaced values between negative 2 pi and 2 pi. So this is to use a line space. And the E is easy. F is to create 10 randomly generated integer numbers between 20 and 60. In this question, you can use the commands I told you before to create 10 random numbers between 20 and 60. It is rand 1, comma n times b minus a plus a. And then you use ceil, floor, or round to make integers. There is a function randi, R-A-N-D-I, to create integer numbers, but do not use randi. Please use rand. Rand is more flexible in the future. If you want to create any random numbers, you can use rand and mathematical operations. So please do not use randi. Question 2, A constructs a vector A containing all of the even numbers between 4 and 26. So this is almost the same as the first question in question 1. B deletes the elements in A with even indices, that is index values, and displays the result. Keep those with odd indices. So this question is to delete the elements in A with the even index values, but not the even numbers. So if the index values are 2, 4, 6, and so on, and then the elements will be removed. So we remove the elements based on its index value, but not the number itself. Number C constructs vector C by typing something, so you type the numbers straightly. D deletes the elements of even numbers in C, so this is to remove the even numbers. This is not to delete something about even index values or all index values, but you delete the even numbers. E replaces those elements that are less than 6 with 100. This is to use some comparison statements to find the qualified numbers and then replace numbers with 100. F computes the sum, it's easy. G computes the average value of the element, it's easy. So in question 1 and 2, you see, please display the results of all sub-questions to the instructor. That means you don't, please don't add a semicolon of A, B, C, D, E, or F. Please display the value, the result of each step. Question 3, A generates an array A with 4 rows and 3 columns. All elements are random elements ranging from 10 to 30. So to generate an array A with 4 rows and 3 columns, you need to use rand parentheses 4, comma 3. And I tell you the range, and then you know the equation to create the random number between 10 and 30. B, in A, add 10 to each element that is less than 20. So you need to display the elements in A that's less than 20, and then add the number to those numbers. Add 10 to those numbers. So B, there is a trick. You need to first one express the numbers less than 20, and then you update the number less than 20. How do you update the numbers? So the numbers equals numbers plus 10. If you update a single number x, for example, add 10 to x, and then the statement is x equals x plus 10. In this question, add 10 to the number less than 20, so you need to express. So here you see add 10 to each element that is less than 20. It is the same as add 10 to those elements in which each one is less than 20. So you can express the elements less than 20, and then, for example, you use a big G to express the number that is less than 20, and then G equals G plus 10. Add 10 to each element that is less than 20. So how do you express numbers that are bigger, that are less than 20? So that is a big G here. C displays the sum of the elements in A. This is easy. You only need to pay attention to the sum built-in function. You will use it twice. D, call size function to display how many rows and columns in A. Okay, so this is lab 2. Please work on lab 2.